13 common signs of hormonal imbalance in women. If you're a woman over 40 and you've started to notice strange shifts in your mood, energy, or body, don't ignore them. Your hormones might be sending you important warning signs. Hormones are powerful chemical messengers that control how every cell, organ, and system in your body functions. Unfortunately, many women today suffer from hormonal imbalances because of the modern lifestyle, constant stress, processed food, and environmental toxins. This can lead to problems like PMS, anxiety, aching of thighs and legs, thyroid issues, sugar cravings, dry skin, and so much more. Your body produces over 50 different hormones released by various glands, collectively known as the endocrine system. These glands are extremely sensitive. Too much stress, poor diet, or long-term exposure to toxins can easily throw them out of balance. It's also very common for medications and birth control pills to disrupt hormones after years of use. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 13 most common signs of hormonal imbalance in women. And at the end, you'll also discover simple, natural steps to help bring your hormones back into perfect balance. Before we get started, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on. These actions help me to reach more people with nutrition and health tips. 13 signs of hormonal imbalance in women. Number 1. Hot flashes. If you experience sudden waves of warmth in your upper body, your face, neck, or chest, you may be having hot flashes. You might also notice your skin reddening, as if you're blushing. This happens when estrogen levels drop, which affects your thyroid and body temperature regulation. Hot flashes are especially common in women going through menopause or those who have taken birth control pills for years. Number 2. Racing thoughts, anxiety, or brain overactivity. If your mind won't stop racing and you feel constantly on edge, your adrenal glands may be producing too much cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels keep your mind overactive, anxious, and stuck in fight or flight mode, even when nothing's wrong. Number 3. Vaginal dryness and low libido. A very common issue, especially after menopause. This is usually caused by low levels of estrogen or testosterone, both essential for healthy sexual function. When they're out of balance, vaginal dryness, discomfort, or loss of interest can appear. Number 4. Hair loss and acne. If you're noticing thinning hair or losing more hair than usual in the shower, it may indicate high androgen hormones and low estrogen. This imbalance can also cause acne. Eating more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cauliflower can help bring your hormones back to harmony. We'll talk more about this later. Number 5. Oily hair or skin. An oily scalp or shiny skin can be another clear sign. Your sebaceous glands start producing too much oil when androgen levels are high. This often happens when there's a zinc deficiency or you're eating too many processed, refined foods. Number 6. Craving for sugar. If you finish a meal and still crave something sweet, that's a red flag. It usually means your insulin levels are too high, caused by years of eating refined carbs and sugar. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and even type 2 diabetes in some people. Number 7. Breast tenderness. If your breasts feel swollen or sore, especially before your period, it's often a sign of high estrogen levels. This is one of the classic symptoms of hormonal imbalance. You may also notice a heavier menstrual flow or mood swings around that time. Number 8. Irregular periods. A healthy menstrual cycle typically runs about every 28 days, but can vary from 21 to 40 days for some women. If your cycle starts becoming irregular, skipping, stopping, or coming unexpectedly, it's a strong sign that estrogen and progesterone are out of sync. Tracking your period can help you detect early signs of imbalance before they become more serious. Number 9. Thinning eyebrows. Losing the outer edges of your eyebrows is often linked to an underactive thyroid or hypothyroidism. The thyroid, located in your neck, plays a major role in energy, metabolism, and mood. When it slows down, you might experience fatigue, dry skin, constipation, weight gain, or even depression. Often, low thyroid function is connected to liver congestion or high estrogen, showing how deeply these hormones influence each other. Number 10. Facial hair. If you notice unwanted facial hair growth or a deepening voice, This could be a sign of polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, a condition linked to high androgen male hormone levels. It's often triggered by eating too many refined carbohydrates and sugars. These dietary habits push insulin up, which then raises androgens, leading to those masculine features. Number 11, varicose veins. If you develop visible blue or purple veins that bulge out on your legs, you might be dealing with varicose veins. This often stems from too much estrogen, which weakens the vein walls. Many women with this issue also gain weight around their hips and thighs and feel a dull ache in their legs. Number 12, frequent infections. Your body relies on the hormone cortisol to regulate inflammation and support immunity. When cortisol levels drop too low, your immune system weakens, making you more prone to catching colds, viral infections, or feeling run down. Number 13, depression. When your hormones are balanced, it's hard to feel truly depressed. Because your brain chemistry stays stable, your energy is steady, and your mood feels naturally positive. But when hormones like estrogen, cortisol, thyroid, or testosterone fall out of balance, you may feel emotionally numb, tired, or detached from life. It's your body's way of saying, something inside needs to be rebalanced. Why are my hormones out of balance? The hormones in your body are incredibly sensitive, not just to what you eat, but also to the environment around you, your emotional state, and even how you handle stress. When exposed to chemicals, toxins, or constant pressure, your delicate hormonal system can easily fall out of balance. Here you can see the most common causes of hormonal imbalance. 1. By far the most common is eating too much sugar and refined foods. These are hard for your body to break down, causing blood sugar issues and problems with the insulin hormone. 2. Mental stress and the pressures of life also affect your entire endocrine system and nervous system. 3. Most people do not eat enough vegetables and nutrient-dense foods to meet their requirements. 4. Not getting at least 8 hours of sleep per night affects your mood and brain chemistry, which damages the pituitary gland. 5. Eating GMO foods that have been sprayed with pesticides and chemicals. These are called endocrine disruptors, which damage your hormones. 6. Fat cells produce estrogen, so being overweight is often the cause of hormonal imbalances. 7. Eating too frequently puts a strain on your digestive hormones, which then affects the entire system. These are the key factors behind hormonal imbalance, and being aware of them is a first step toward restoring harmony in your body. How to balance hormones naturally. Now, let's go over 6 simple but powerful steps to bring your hormones back into balance, naturally and effectively. 1. Cut back on sugar and refined foods. Reduce foods like white bread, pastries, biscuits, and soda. They spike insulin and create long-term instability in your hormones. 2. Add healthy fats to your diet. Replace processed oils with nourishing fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter, and ripe avocados. These are essential for healthy hormone production. 3. Support your liver and thyroid. Take a daily DIM supplement, naturally found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale, to help your liver detoxify excess estrogen. Also, consider sea kelp, which is rich in iodine, an important nutrient for balancing estrogen and thyroid hormones. 4. Choose organic, clean foods. Whenever possible, switch to organic produce and hormone-free meats. This helps you avoid pesticide-based endocrine disruptors that interfere with your body's natural chemistry. 5. Limit dairy products. Cut down on milk, cheese, and other dairy foods, since they contain natural anabolic hormones that may worsen hormonal imbalance in sensitive women. 6. Manage stress and prioritize sleep. Go for long walks in nature. They reduce cortisol and soothe your nervous system. Spending time outdoors helps your body return to a calm, natural rhythm. And make sure you get at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night, since deep rest allows your hormones to reset and repair. 7. Finally, include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as wild-caught salmon, sardines, herring, anchovies, mussels, and shrimp. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, heal your glands, and promote overall hormonal harmony. If you follow these steps consistently, you'll begin to notice remarkable improvements, better energy, mood, focus, and overall well-being. When your endocrine system starts working smoothly again, your brain, metabolism, and skin all benefit in incredible ways. Summary: your endocrine system is a network of glands that release hormones vital for nearly every function in your body. When these hormones are out of balance, women can experience fatigue, mood swings, weight changes, or even brain fog. But the good news is, your body is built to heal. By cleaning up your diet, managing stress, improving sleep, and adding gentle movement to your day, you can restore the natural rhythm of your hormones and address the real root causes of imbalance. If you found this video helpful, please give a like, subscribe, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss my next health update. You can also discover the top 16 foods that naturally balance women's hormones after 40, simple, science-backed ways to boost energy, reduce symptoms, and support overall well-being. For all the details, tap on the video titled, Top 16 Foods That Balance Women's Hormones Naturally After 40. Thank you so much for watching. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.